Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening and good afternoon. Welcome to Speed Matters, Quality Matters, FlashForge FDM High-Speed Upgrade and New Product Launch Event. It is a great honor for me to have a chance to be here today. I am Rainer Günther, a mechanical specialist in FlashForge. Facing the ever-changing global market, FlashForge has always dedicated to meeting efficient manufacturing requirements for customers and providing efficient, stable and easy-to-use digital 3D printing solutions for every organization and everyone. All the time, FlashForge has been keeping progressing and solving the most key pain points of the industry. That is, how to make manufacturing more efficient and more stable. To achieve this, our R&D team has carried out many tests and implemented massive verification, and successfully we have come up with solutions and we are confident to give answers to our customers. Today we will show you what we have worked out. Our professional grade Guider series and customer grade Adventure series will be introduced with new products of excellent quality. In this way, we bring new experiences to professional grade and customer grade scenarios. In addition, some of our existing products of the above named two series have been upgraded with higher speed through the high-speed upgrade kit and the latest firmware development for them. We are now bringing the latest high-speed and stable printing experience to all the 3D printing users all over the world. Today, we will witness an all-round high-speed printing era brought by FlashForge products. Being the world's leading manufacturer of 3D printers and keeping cooperation tightly with global distributors, partners and industry counterparts. We are committed to developing new technologies and implementing innovative ideas in the 3D printing industry through continuous research and development. We are confident that we are all promoting the powerful development of 3D printing industry. Now, at this special moment today, let's invite our product expert to come up and introduce the brand new Guider 3 Ultra in detail.
Hello everyone, I am Zhou Fei, the FDM product director in FlashForge. I am appreciated to be here to introduce our new professional 3D printer, Guider 3 Ultra. We have made lots of designs for this new product, and at this moment, I will focus on 4 of them to share with you here. The first one is about the speed. For most the FDM users, we all know the speed is always a difficulty, especially when we print large size models, just like this one. How to achieve this? Of course, you will need a big size professional machine. Guider 3 Ultra is the one. The X and Y axis is 330 millimeters, and the Z-axis is up to 600 millimeters, which is suitable for print this. But if you choose to use a common big size professional machine, you will have to wait much more than 20 hours to make it all finished. It's a long time. Or you can buy a fast industry printer with a price more than maybe 30,000 US dollars. The display figures here are some fast industry printers, or maybe the fastest on the market. The print time can be shortened from 20 hours to 8 hours. This is no doubt a big improvement, but there is still plenty room to improve. How about our Guider 3 Ultra? 500 millimeters per sec and 20,000 millimeters per sec squared. What does this figure mean? It means that for the same model, we can finish print it in around 4 hours. Let's take a look at the actual printing. The purpose of improving the speed is to maximize the productivity. Therefore, with Gyno 3 Ultra, you can easily raise your productivity to 2 to 5 times more than before. I think this is a major step forward. The second is about the quality. An industrial 3D printer is kind of a tool for manufacturers. Can you tolerate a machine that print at a high speed but with low quality output? Or we sacrifice or compromise on quality for high speed? No! If so, speed means nothing. We want both. And we have made some innovations to guarantee this. The first thing is about the frame of the machine. We use a coaxial structure, which is the most suitable for high speed and high quality printing. Besides, we also adopted the linear guide rail and the lint screw, which make the movements and positions more accurate. All of this made a stable machine. Secondly, we have to mention our VSA. What is VSA? With much time of research in 3D printing, including motion control, software and firmware, material adoptions, and with the experience gathered from thousands of customers, we work out the algorithm to reduce the excessive vibration, which is the biggest enemy for high-speed printing. Number 3. We have optimized the leveling method, making it more easy and accurate. As we can see, with the new method, we can achieve perfect first layer quality. The VSA and the leveling method are only briefly mentioned here. You can better explore and experience it by yourself once you get the machine. Of course, the airflow during the high printing also plays an important role in the accuracy of 3D prints. With our numerous tests, we have designed two speed adaptation fans on Gyno 3 Ultra, which is essential for good model surface quality. Let's look at some examples here. With all these innovations, you can easily obtain high-quality prints in different model sizes. The third one is about free printing. Some of the so-called high-speed printers that could just be used with their own materials, like high-speed PLA or others. Gyno 3 Ultra is designed to adapt to engineering materials. especially fiber composite materials, having achieved it. Firstly, we have dual extruders, which allow users to print support with easy-to-remove materials or water-soluble materials. With this kind of configuration, we can remove the support easily and guarantee a very smooth surface. Let's look at a short video. Like the dual extruders, the large flow hot end and the hardened steel nozzle together are also the standard configuration. It is ideal for engineering materials. The large flow hot end ensures high-speed printing of fiber materials with an ordinary nozzle. It usually wears out after printing about 1 kilogram of filament. But the service life of our nozzle can be 10 times longer than that. Last, but not least, is a seal filament chamber. When fiber materials are exposed to air, they will be wet in a short time. When using some common printers to print these, this will result in stringing or other model defects, and of course, lower mechanical property, but our filament chamber can help you with this. Our storage chamber can ensure the material humidity constant for more than 2 weeks, which makes the model of high quality, due printing the whole time. These above-mentioned designs make the Guide 3 Ultra specialized in printing fiber materials. The fourth, easy of use, is one of the headaches of 3D printing. Usually, there is a contradiction between easy of use and functionality. Especially nowadays, new 3D printers on the market pay more attention to adding more functions. On the one hand, this offers extensive applications, but on the other hand, this makes the use of printers more complicated. But we have created the optimal balance between both on Guide 3 Ultra. Actually, we are creating a concept of one touch for you. If you want to start printing, just one click. If you want to remove the model, just a few seconds. If you want to replace the hot end, just press and drag. With all these designs above, we hope that you can focus on how to make perfect models, not on operating machines. Now, let's have a short sum up. The first one, fast speed. 500 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second square with big size. The second one, high quality and a high speed. The third is about free printing. Guide 3 Ultra is suitable for various materials, especially the fiber materials. The fourth, easy of use, and the concept of one touch. As we mentioned before, a 3D printer is a tool for our daily production. Now, with all the advantages we mentioned here, what could Guide 3 Ultra do for you? We are to offer the 16-hour project for you. What is it? After you finish the design, just start printing when you get off work. Then you could enjoy a leisure time. You can spend time with your family, do recreation activities, or get a full rest. At the same time, Get 3 Ultra will keep working for you, and you can get the desired model when you come to work the next day. This will take about 60 hours. Just think about it. A day is 24 hours. Besides the 8 working hours, Get 3 Ultra will be your assistant in the remaining 16 hours. This is what we call the 16 hours project. Imagine that you are a wind energy engineer. As we can see, the model of the size can be printed within 16 hours, and you can get it to verify the structure design or test the operation process. Imagine that you are a vehicle ID engineer. The model of the size also can be printed within 16 hours and can be directly applied to tests. Imagine that you are a home appliance ID engineer, or you are a drawing ID engineer. You are a mechanical design engineer. You are a manufacturing engineer. All this can be done in around 16 hours. You can also explore more possibilities with our Get 3 Ultra, but I will just stop here. Now, let's hand over to my colleague, Ms. Wang. Have fun.
Hi guys, not only is Get 3 Ultra capable of high-speed printing, but also some of our existing products can be upgraded in terms of the speed. For Get 3 and Get 3 Plus, the printing speed now is 300 mm per second, and the acceleration is 20,000 mm per second squared. You won't think that's all for FlashForge. For Get 3 and Get 3 Plus, which working in your office now, also can be upgraded to the same printing speed. Your printers can be upgraded in only 2 simple steps. Step 1, upgrade the firmware to the latest version via Wi-Fi, USB sticker, or Ethernet. Step 2, replace original hot ends with new high-speed hot ends. If you are a 3D printing service provider or you are running urgent projects, your productivity can be increased by 3.5 times. I will share some examples that we have tested numerous times. The astronaut model, size 15 plus 17 plus 30 centimeters, infill 40%. The new upgrade will save you more than 2 days. The sculpture model, size 25 plus 23 plus 38 centimeters, infill 15%. The new upgrade will save 44 hours of work. Well, FlashForge has a huge user base, including individuals, engineers, families, and educational users. In recent years, Adventure 4 has been one of the Ace series among FlashForge products. It's a printer for beginners of all ages. We will keep working on the better quality and easy-of-use 3D printers. Here, we are to launch a high-speed upgrade solution for Adventure 4 users. There are only 2 steps for the upgrade. Step 1, upgrade the firmware to the latest version. Step 2, replace the original nozzle with new high-speed nozzle. Now, for your Adventure 4, the printing speed can be 200 mm per second, and the acceleration can be 10,000 mm per second squared. Here, I'd like to present some data. For Adventure 4 users, the astronaut model, size 5.2 plus 5.9 plus 10 centimeters, infill 10%. Printing time can be shortened from 3.83 hours to 1.75 hours. More than half of the printing time can be saved. we have prepared a video that directly compares the high-speed printing and the standard printing of Sky 3 series and Adventure 4. Let's have a look. You can always expect more for fast food. Let's see what is more coming next. We are also here to launch two new products, Adventure 4 Pro and Adventure 3 Pro 2, which will bring you to a new level of ease of use with three new features: auto leveling, 4 times fast printing, and 1 second quick remove PEI platform. Here are some details about what is new. Firstly, is the speed. For new adventures, the printing speed is 300 millimeters per second, and the acceleration is 10,000 millimeters per second squared. A maximum of 60% of the printing time can be shortened. To ensure the printing quality in the fast printing mode, we designed a highly efficient cooling system. The new extruder is equipped with 3 fans and 2 ducts to offer you a better surface quality. The second one is a multi-point auto leveling. For new adventurers, we add an extruder sensor with function of auto-detect compensation. The new leveling system will measure the relative height between the nozzle and the platform by magnetic induction and then perform intelligent compensation during the printing, which will ensure a perfect first layer. Last but not least is the magnetic PEI platform. With its bad performances like strong adhesion, it can ensure a perfect bottom surface and prevent warping as well. Besides, the platform can be easily removed just in 1 second. Let's see the video of the new adventurers. That's all for today's new product launch event. Thank you for your attention.